everybody. In this class, we're going to continue working with the text fruit versus fruit with the exercises on pages 10 and 11. We're going to work with prominence and lexical density. You can read about this concept on page 10. So let's see the exercises. On page 9, you have some fragments from the text and you had to mark prominence. That is what you had to do in the previous class. Now you can check what you did with the file fruit versus fruit prominence. You will need to check prominence before you do exercise 3, this chart. I will tell you how to complete this chart in a moment, but now let's go on with the next exercise. On page 11, you have other fragments from the text. It says exercise 3, but it should actually be 4, okay? Exercise 4. So you're going to listen to the audio file fruit versus fruit, prominence second part, and mark prominence. After you do this, you're going to check what you did with the file fruit versus fruit. Remember, first do the exercise and then check what you did. And here you have a second chart, okay? So now let's talk about the charts. As you can see, we have two different parts from the text. The first part on pages 9 and 10, and the second part on pages 11 and 12. And we have charts for the different parts. So we have two charts. To complete them, you will need the file fruit versus fruit charts, okay? You will need this other file, okay? And let's see here. This is the first one for the first part on page 10. Read the text again, pay attention to the terms in bold, and complete the box below. You cannot see the terms in bold in the study guide, so here you have them, okay? G2, D4, D22, and so on. And this is the chart for that first part, okay? And then we have part 2, page 12. Read the text again, pay attention to the terms in bold, and complete the box below. Again, you cannot see the terms in bold, so here you have them, and here you have the chart. So let's see how you can complete them. We have an example here. We're going to choose term D34, okay, to analyze. In the first column, write the term you're analyzing, in this case, D34. In the second column, write the number of content words in the term, okay, so you count the content words and you write the number, in this case, 6. In the third column, write the number of prominent content words. And this is why you need to check prominence before doing this exercise, okay? So you write the number and you can also write the words if you want to. Then write the number of non-prominent content words, okay? In this case, we have 2 non-prominent content words, and you can also write the words if you want to. Then we have prominent structural words. You write the number, and if there aren't any, you don't write anything. And then in the last column, we have contrast or emphasis. You write the words that show contrast or emphasis. You're going to do the same in the 2 charts, okay? Remember the 2 parts and the different terms you have in each part. So complete these charts, and then you're going to see how many content words you have in each part, okay? In part 1 and in part 2. And you're going to think why there is a difference between the 2 parts. We're going to upload the key for these exercises and the exercises from the previous class next week. If you have any questions, please let us know. Bye bye.